what's in the box? Well, it's not really a box, is it? It's brown paper, quite thick though, and it seems to be in one piece. Let's open it up to see what we got today. Well, you can't say this isn't very well wrapped, can you? It is. Look at that. I reckon if I undo this bit here, look, it will probably slide out. Maybe. He says, ooh. Ah, the original discs. And PGA Tour Golf 96, Windows 95 Companion, Carter 96, and an empty one. I bet that's the one that had the actual operating system on. But either way, that's quite nice. Not quite sure what that's about. There's some sort of screw. Oh well, let's stick that there for now. Get rid of that. Ooh, what else have we got? Oh, quick restore. No, it's not got the quick restore disc, is it? That probably goes in there. Does it go in there? No idea. Let's pop that to the side up there. Wow, it's got the CD-ROM, quick restore, and the bootable floppy disk. Look at that. And no, it's not the save icon printed out in 3D. Dear me. Wow, that's a good start. What else we got? Somewhere there should be the actual laptop. Wow, never seen one that big before. That's what she said. Oh, blimey. What have we got? We've got the user guide. Random help thing in 6,000 languages. The safety and comfort guide. Important information about your new computer. This is a how to insert a CD. Blimey. Connecting the modem, sleep. These, in case you've never seen them before, these are called manuals, and it's what you used to get when you brought a computer. You must register, it's important. And welcome to SmartQ. Here you have the Compaq SmartQ software guide. Basically, and don't laugh, people didn't even know how to use the start menu because it was something new. People were spending a lot of money on these computers and didn't know how to use them, and they were a little bit too complicated for people who didn't know what they were doing. So a lot of the manufacturers, including Compaq, come up with their own menu system. Now each of those 4 icons with windows on that you can see in this brochure here, they're all the different profiles. So they've got somebody called Ashley, John, Mary, and the most important one, games. And you click on those and all the associated programs that those people wanted to have were in there, so they could get on and use the computer relatively easily. Thank God we don't have that these days. Right, let's see if it looks alright inside. Yeah, look at that. Regional Pentium inside. Dun 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 dun. Yes, the Compaq Presario 1000 series, and this one is the 1060 or 1060, however you want to look at it. Let's see if this beast will power on. You never know your luck. Right, I've got a flashing light just here. Can't quite see that, but it must be doing something. Will it power on? Ooh, I can hear a fan. Ooh, I can hear a floppy disk drive. I can see the word Compaq on screen. One beep. You remember in these days, or in the olden days, can you see that? So the brightness of the screens wasn't particularly good. As you can see from here, the backlight isn't as bright. Wow, I don't know if you can hear that either, but I can hear the hard drive clicking away. I've got optical drive here. Have they left the disc in for me? No. Will it load Windows? Oh, looks like the desktop. Hooray! It's loaded Windows. Bit brighter, isn't it now? Yeah, perhaps it needed to warm up or something. Cool, there's mouse trails on. Well, they're not turned on, but there are mouse trails because of the age of the screen. Warning, your hard drive has a problem and may need replacing. Whoa! I think I'm going to shut it down. Have a proper look a bit later. Well, there you go. A thumbs up from me. It works.